What you doing?
Being a brat.
Are you being a little silly Billy? Say da 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 da. Say da 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 da. Da da. No? Say no 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 no.
What's wrong? Your tummy?
Da 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 da. Whoosh.
Is it your tummy?
You see da da?
No. Mama? Where'd you learn this from? He's never said that before.
Na 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 na.
This is the first time I'm saying that, huh?
Yeah?
Don't say no. Look at his face. He's mad about something.
What happened?
What is it? Oh.
He's trying to protest. What's wrong? What is it? Your tummy? What? Are you tired? You want a bath? What is it, baby?
Na 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 na. What is it?
Tell the camera. What are you mad about?
Yeah?
Are you okay? What's wrong? What's wrong? Is it your tummy? Doesn't feel like you have
Jaden. Jaden. Hey. Hey, hey. Yeah? Yeah? Oh. What happened?
What's wrong? I don't know what's wrong with him. I think he's just tired or something.
Yeah, I think so. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. You want to be on the camera?
He stares at it like he wants to.
Yeah. Hi.
Maybe you just want to be picked up.
You just want to be picked up? And Daddy to hold you? Huh? Yeah?
I don't know what's wrong with him.
Na, na, na. Okay. Say bye-bye. 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 Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, it's such a sad story.
Life's so hard. What's wrong, son?
Okay,
Are you hungry?
bye-bye.
You want to lay down?